If you're a master crafter, you may want hundreds of stitches to choose from, and in that case, you should consider the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. This computerized sewing machine comes with a whopping 600 stitches, as well as 5 fonts, allowing you to customize projects in any way you can imagine. This Singer sewing machine has all the helpful features you'd expect, including a built-in needle threader, easy load bobbin system, and one-touch stitch selection. It even comes with an extension table that provides a larger working area. It comes with 600 stitches, including basic, decorative, and stretch stitches, as well as 13 buttonhole styles. Plus, you'll receive 18 presser feet and a variety of other accessories, like a seam ripper, lint brush, quilting bar, and more. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 can be used for a wide range of applications, making it an ideal choice for more advanced sewers. Reviewers say it's quite sturdy and runs smoothly, and many love that the extension table gives you a larger work area.